everyone, MariaLaNiece here, and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to my channel. I'm MariaLaNiece, and I am here to bring you this look that we have going on today. I really didn't know what to do with my eyes at first, so we kind of just played around and all that good stuff. So if you want to see how I created this look and how we got to this finished product, how we, glowing and whatnot, all that good stuff. If you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. But first, you know what you gotta do. Subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification bell. And that way you never miss another upload from me. So, now, let's hop into this look, shall we? Okay, so first I'm going to start by priming with my Urban Decay Optical Illusion Complexion Primer. So I'm just going to pump some of that on my finger and rub it all over my face. Of course we're going to glow. It wouldn't be me if I didn't. So of course we're going to take the MAC Strobe Cream and rub that in with our hands all over. But this tulip brush is is what I like to use to set under my eye. And then in the porous area, which is basically just right here, I'm going to take my Benefit Professional and just tap that in. I am going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in, what's this? Ebony. Comb out these brows. Okay, brows are done. Okay, foundation today, we are going full coverage. So I'm going to start with my Cover FX Total Cover Cream Foundation in G70 on a, you know what, I actually like to use my Beige Cosmetics 117 brush, the same brush that I use to blend out my concealer. So I just start by just tapping this into the skin, because we're building coverage here. So, and on top of that, I am going to take my Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This is in 4.0. Just put a little bit of that on the back of my hand, like 2 pumps. Last foundation, okay, is the Urban Decay All Nighter Waterproof Long Wear Liquid Foundation in the shade 8.75. And we're going to take that same brush. Sorry, something popped up on my screen. I couldn't really see. You know what? A little bit of this stuff goes a very long way. So So now that we have on 15 layers of foundation, we are now going to conceal under the eye, contour, all that good stuff. Since I color corrected, I'm just going to go in with my MAC Pro Longwear concealer in the shade NC35. So this is like, I guess 2 shades lighter than me because I'm normally NC45. So I only take like a little pump. So now to contour, same thing, my Ulta Full Coverage Concealer Waterproof. And to blend out my contours, my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I love, love, love this brush for blending out my contour. Then we're going to hit that with some NYX banana powder. Now this is like not that yellow at all. So, but I also have this mixed with my Maybelline, some Maybelline powder. I'll tell y'all in a second. Let me finish setting this. And then I'll grab it out of my drawer and tell y'all exactly, because it's not the Fit Me. I can't find the Fit Me loose powder in the stores here, so I might have to order some offline. So again, this is my MAC Studio Fix. Yep. Oh my god, at this time my MAC Studio Fix in NC45. I'm setting my contour with my LA Girl Pro Face and Warm Caramel, and the brush that I'm using is a Morphe M551. Just in case you weren't aware, I'm gonna snatch this nose using this BH Cosmetics brush. It's an unknown brush because it don't have. Alright, so I think I'm about to run out of space on my SD card. I will be right back. Alright, so I figured out my eye, so let's go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to start by using my MAC 24 Hour Extend Eye Base and putting that on my eye. And then buffing that out with, you know, y'all know my favorite Real Techniques brush. So for my crease brush, I'm using the Morphe M502, and the shade is called Crisp. So I'm just gonna pop that in the crease. So when I was figuring out what I wanted to do, I didn't realize that I didn't have any glitter primers, so I made it work though. You'll see. We'll keep it moving. So next, going into my Too Faced Best Year Ever 2018 palette, I am going to take Don't Give a Fudge. It's like a dark, and I am putting that into the inner and outer corner of my eye. Alright, so then taking a flat eyeshadow brush, disregard the tape on my brush. My brush isn't broken. I don't know why it's there, but me being me, I just didn't take it off. So taking a flat brush, I'm going to dip into the shade called I Want It All in that same Too Faced palette and kind of just put that right there towards the center, but like not directly in the center. Taking a little bit of concealer on a flat brush and putting that directly in the center of my lid. I'm gonna spray a what is this? A Bow Kashi. It's an eyeshadow brush. I think I got it in like my Ipsy bag. I'm gonna spray that with some setting spray, and then I'm going to dip into my glitter, taking it old school with the setting spray, and then pop that right on my lid. I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera because I struggle doing it on camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, so for mascara, we are going to use the Maybelline Colossal Big Shot. Okay, so I just popped my lash on off camera, and now I'm back to finish the lower lash line. For my lower lash line, I'm going to take my Urban Decay eyeliner in Perversion and just line my waterline. Don't give a fudge. I'm going to just apply that to the outer and inner corner of my bottom lash line. I am going to take the shade Boss in my Tarteist palette, and I'm going to mix that with the shade Party Over Here in my Too Faced palette and pop that in the middle. Alright, let's go ahead and finish up this face. We have our eyes done, lashes, all that good stuff. So now pretty much we just gotta highlight and blush. And lips, of course, and then we'll be done. For highlight today, no, I'm going to blush first. For my blush, I'm going to use Tarte in the shade Feisty. Add that to my cheeks. Ooh, that's too much. I'm not big on blush, let me tell you that. And for highlight today, I'm going to actually use my Cardi Bible by BH Cosmetics palette. There's like this really gold color in there. I'm gonna take that. And layer that on. We're gonna line the lip with this coat. Technically it's an eyeliner, but I like it as a lip liner. It's called Earth, and this is by Motives for Lala. I think this has a mirror on it. Yeah, alright. Alright, and then we're going to take Chi from ColourPop and put that in the middle. And then we're going to take this L'Oreal gloss in the color 601 called Nude Ballet, and then we're just going to put that over top. Alright, well, this is a final look. I hope you all like it. I hope you all enjoyed creating this look with me. If you decide to recreate this look, make sure you tag me in your recreations, MariaLaNiece Makeup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in my next video.